What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter von Panda here. How am I supposed to carry this thing around? Well, the answer is it comes in a nice little styrofoam case, but it's not really meant to be a permanent storage solution. So that's why I went on Amazon and bought this. And now they do make cases. This is the Osmo Mobile 2 is a very popular Steadicam gimbal for cameras. And so there's no shortage of accessories specifically for that. And including hard cases that should fit it, especially if you're going to travel and want to protect it. It's, you know, some delicate precision electronics, but I got this one for a couple of reasons. As you can see here, it's gray. I really like this look. It's almost like a houndstooth, and it's nice. It's actually hard-sided. You can see here it's got molded in shapes, and it really looks really nice. And this is the reason I got it. As you can see here, we have these nylon straps on the side with these sewn in metal D-rings. On the top here, we have a really nice handle, nylon with a rubberized handle piece on it. And then we have dual zippers here. So I'm just gonna open this up because inside of here is where I'm guessing should be one other piece of this. And boom, here it is. This is a shoulder strap. And most of these cases here have this handles, which is great, but I was thinking if I want to take this on a hike or something like that, I don't want to be carrying it by the handle. Yes, maybe I'll have a backpack or something like that, but if I don't and I'm trying to travel with only the equipment I need, it'd be great to throw this over the shoulder. You can see here a nice big shoulder strap, all metal hardware, metal clips on the side. So I'm going to put these on here. Boom and boom. So you can see that hardware, really nice hardware too. And then inside here we have the hard-sided but lined with like a nylon for the Osmo. This egg crate foam here is actually glued in, so that won't come out, which is also really nice. Now I'm just going to take this sucker and be careful with it. Put that in there. Perfect fit. So you might be able to see here, that is a perfect fit. In fact, it's such a perfect fit. I'm actually wondering about an accessory I bought for this. Hopefully it'll work. I'll figure out a way to make it work. But then on top of that, you also have this little empty space right here, so you can put in, you know, a micro USB cable and a power brick if you needed to charge the sucker up. You could put in, honestly, the phone or like the GoPro or whatever you're going to use with it potentially in here too. So really cool. I love this thing. And like I said, it looks nice, and carry it like a messenger bag or or the shoulder bag. Either one, I think it's going to be really nice and convenient. And it's not bulky. I mean, it's kind of hugs the shape of the Osmo, so it's not overly big. Really easy to handle and manipulate. Check it out. I'll put a link to this in the description. Peter von Panda out.